Welcome to our video on count or sum condition using DQL. Are you working with large datasets and struggling to extract insights from your data? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore how to use the count function with a sum condition in data query language DQL to gain valuable insights into your data. As we delve into the world of data analysis, it's essential to understand how to manipulate and summarize our data effectively. The count function is a fundamental tool in DQL that allows us to count the number of rows that meet specific conditions. However, what if you want to count only those rows where the sum of certain values meets a particular condition? That's where the sum condition comes into play. In this video, we'll break down the concept of using count with a sum condition in DQL, provide examples and analogies to help solidify your understanding, and summarize this so you can apply them to your own data analysis project. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to tackle complex data analysis tasks and make informed decisions based on your findings. So, let's dive into the tool. Well, the count function in DQL is used to count the number of rows that meet a specific condition. However, when working with aggregated values, we need to use the sum condition to specify which values to include in our count. Think of it like this. Imagine you're analyzing sales data for an e-commerce company. You want to count the number of orders where the total value exceeds $1,000. In this case, you'd use the count function with a sum condition to sum up the order values and only count those orders that meet or exceed the $1,000 threshold. Here's how it works. We first specify the column we want to sum up, in this case, the order value. Then, we use the sum function to calculate the total value for each group of rows. Finally, we apply a condition to filter only those groups where the sum meets or exceeds our specified threshold, $1,000. For example, let's say we have a table with 3 columns: order ID, product name, and order value. We want to count the number of orders where the total order value exceeds $1,000 for each product category. We'd use the count function with a sum condition like this: count order ID, where sum order value 1,000 group by product category. In this example, we're summing up the order value column and only counting those orders where the total order value exceeds $1,000 for each product category. The result would be a count of orders that meet our condition, grouped by product category. To recap, here are the pros in this video. The count function in DQL is used to count the number of rows that meet a specific condition. To use count with aggregated values, we need to specify a sum condition to sum up the relevant values. We can apply conditions to filter only those groups where the sum meets or exceeds our specified threshold. By using count with a sum condition, we can gain valuable insights into our data and make informed decisions based on our findings. That's it for this video on count or sum condition using DQL. We hope you now have a solid understanding of how to use the count function with a sum condition in data query language. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on data analysis and visualization. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments below. We're always looking for new ideas and ways to help our audience grow their skills. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.